Come on. Your man say Chief Madam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sakpacha 1. No site. Number is 0242 70 80 68 or 02444 82 81. Without this number, it's fraud. Watch it out. I'm here to do some action. May share action as you know. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Julfu Julman Kundu. Kun fa kun ya gas musa gisin agisin ya Allah kun fa kun. Sami ya bi se ya sadman be ya omun na be sori agina. Enye ya omun ya be do. Enti mi be yi loto number asan Africa. Enti ya hwe bibi. Omun nyina sori agina ho. Yo nam dia sinchen. Me sinchen che ya. Me ka tell say uko hu me bibia e social media without 0242 70 80 68. It's fraud. Let's see something. I'm here to give you loto number. Here is the Quran. When I command, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I'll say, Kun fayakun, Kun fayakun, Kun fayakun, Kun fayakun. Ya gias mustagisin agisin ya Allah Kun fayakun. Here is the lotto number. Let's see. Kun fayakun, Kun fayakun, Kun fayakun, Kun fayakun. You see, it's 3 numbers. If you want to stick this, unless you call me, here is the number. Life and color. This is the really Chief Madam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sakpacha. If someone call you and say he send money to me or this thing, the person is fraud guy, and so he want to spoil our name because there are fraud guys, different boys. They are using my picture to fraud. So I don't care about that one. I know if God didn't spoil my name, you can't spoil my name. I'm here to help you. Tell me your problem. I'm here to solve your problem once and for all. Let's see something. Here is the some ayah. We call some ayah. So when I mention Kun Fayakun 3 times and I take it to my heart, inshallah, you see the money will come. So let's try something. Here's the perfume. So when I do it, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So let me close it and put it aside. Let's see something. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kun Fayakun. The number is 0242 70 80 68. Without this number, it's fraud. So let's see something. Chief Madam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sakpacha 1. I'm here to tell you that if not me, no one can help you. And yet you'll beat me, boy. Bismillah Kun Fayakun. Bismillah Kun Fayakun. Bismillah Kun Fayakun. I'm here to tell you that if not, no one can help you. 0242 70 80 68. Without this number, it's fraud. Bismillah Kun Fayakun. Bismillah Kun Fayakun. Without this name, no one can help you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah the really Chief Madam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sakpacha 1. You see, this is what I can do. See it very well. The really Chief Madam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sakpacha 1. Let's see this one. I want to change it. You see, if not me, who can do this? And I want to wait in so me catch yourself, me na met me abo, me obia ent me embo, organ ha. Enti, ye bibi say aye na ye nipa won na nya bibia eye nyame achade. So ye hwe bibi kakra. Enu ne wa hu. Bismillah kun fakun. Nyame achade, we de nya honde, nyame achade. Number na 0242 70 80 68 or 02444 82 816. Without this number, it's fraud. Let's see something again. The highest, you see him. So let's see something again. Kun Fayakun. Come on, can you see it very well?
Yeah.
Okay. Kun Fayakun. The Nigerian people. Someone fraud you and you take a Chief Madam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sakpacha. If the someone is powerful, the person should command your currency, the highest currency. This is your last currency. This is your last currency. This is your last currency. Now, please let them see it very well. Let them see it very well. If it is lies, you just say, give me comments and say this is not your last currency. Check it very well. Check it very well. Then let's see something. If it is not true, your last currency, you can say, here is it. This is not a fake. But I will stop there. I want you to know the really Chief Madam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sakpacha. Here is the box. Please watch inside for me. So I will take this one and put it inside so that let's see something. Please, you have to watch all the programs. So let's see. Bismillah, let's go. When I say Chief Malam Zaki Sahna, you think we are playing. We are not playing here. Here's the really money. The really Chief Malam Zaki Sahna Sabana Sapacha 1. If not me, who can do this? Who can do this? Who can do this? Who can do this? If not me, who can do this? See the money.
Yes.
See the money. See the money. If not me, who can do this? Let's see something. If not me, who can do this? Check it very well. The really Chief Malam Zaki Sahna Sabana Sapacha. If not me, who can do this? Check it very well. 0242 70 83. See my face very well and watch the explanation. Watch my this hand. It's my mark. So my code is show me your teeth. Okay? So no best. Anywhere you are, you just call Chief Malam Zaki Sahna Sabana Sapacha. Because of the money is plenty, I can't just stop this thing. Watch it very well. See what I can do. If you are somewhere and you need money, you can call me 0242 70 83 or 02444 82 816. Without this number, it's fraud. Me and met me abo e wa kwan. E ya ware asem. Why di be ma chi abre? Won pese obe waro. Fanabra. Why di oba chi abre? Won pese obe ye no ho ade. Fanabra. Asundue mu na ope wo fie. Me say bra, be hwe no betimi ama. Chief, can you see it very well? Can you see it very well? Yeah. If you are in Togo, you need safer. 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 Watch it very well. If you are in Ghana, see this. Where are you? Dollars. Watch it very well. Watch it very well. You see him? You see him very well? You see him very well? You see him very well? Let them see my shrine, how it is. If you come to my shrine, please watch out and know who you are coming to. Let them see the dollars very well. You see him? This is how much?
Yes. $10,000.
$10,000. $10,000.
20,000.
30,000. 40,000. 50,000. 60,000. 70. 80. 90. $100,000 right now. If not me, who can do this?
Nobody.
So please, there are some people using my pictures to fraud. Please, this is my serious matter. So that some of them will use some voice message. They are the same fraud guys. They use some voice message to threat me. As they come to me for their work, I didn't do it. All is threatened, but I don't have any problem. You yourself, you have to shine your eyes. If you see anyone who can help you, you have to know. Anytime I give comment, I do my action, you have to know who can help you. God bless me already. Not your money. Your man can buy bicycle. You never give me any money to spend it in my own pocket. No. Make sure that if you need help, contact me, call me video call. When I tell you anything, you have to do it for your own sake. God bless me already, and I'm here to prove myself I'm innocent. I don't know anything about what you are talking. Somebody called, you gave me some money, you send money. No. I'm not here to find money your side. No. Me say, eti shahuye, ya sheye, friend anybody video call. See any voice no, na hunya wone no kasa no. Na Chief Malam Zaki Sahna, Sabana, Sapacha 1, no size. Enye me obi antimi bo. Kwanto na ye problem. Oba na wo pe. Ana wo pe bema. Ana wo da, usume da e basabasa. Kwanto na wo pe se wontu. Wo ba wo kwanto wo pe lucky. Ana se wo pe wo twi a emba. Wo koton a wo nhuso. Ye tokura wo hu sika no. Wo tokura ye nto. Wo nua na de bobo. Na me say I was na ye o diving. Je na ye problem. Instant money. or packet no dry. My man, be here. I don't use blood to do my work. Me fa mo je ye ma adwuma. Obekọ ba de obeka say me dia me abosomfo wo ba na no be dia no ka. Da. Ya me anya hira na enti wo wonti na me ye. Eni nkwasiafo ne wori asando kwa to sabi o. Kwasiafo ne jimifo mo use me picture e de bokro no. A mo pe di mbone de mam no. Omo nti na me ye we. Nyesa aka me ohene Chief Malam Zaki Sahana Sabana Sakpacha 1 no size. My one day I will say this is all for who? You didn't ask me to do anything, and this one is for who? So when I command this, I can't use for my own money. So why am I going to collect your money for something that I won't do it? No. If you send money or if you say somebody to do something and the person didn't do it, you have to ask yourself, what the person told you do it? Did you do it? So who cares of being here before now? I am one. Bisa also near one text now on the call. What did so and I watch near and one yam. So I won't talk much. I had Pankasa, a samba brie, or Benyasa for Yenube, Yebunube, and so I won't talk much. So I'll end my program here so that you know who is the really Chief Malam Zaki Sahana Sabana Sakpacha 1. Call me on video call to verify my shrine and know who I am. I'm here with big man. So I'm not here to proud. God bless me already. Bye-bye for hearing me.